Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I am Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the EOMONTH function in Excel. So most often when you are working with dates, you need to land on the last day of a particular month based on the number of months given and the start date is given. And in order to do that, what you need to do is that you need to use this EOMONTH function. Before we go ahead and write some formula with this EOMONTH function, let's discuss about this EOMONTH. What exactly is this EOMONTH function? So the Excel EOMONTH function gives the last day of the month of a given number of months in the past or future based on the argument that you have given, and you can use this EOMONTH to calculate the expiration date or any dates that needed to basically be the last day of a particular month. The EOMONTH function will take two arguments, the start date and the months. So this start date must be a valid Excel date, then only this EOMONTH function will work, and the month argument which you have given specifies how many months in the future or in the past Excel has to move. When you use a positive number, then it will move forward in time, and if you give a negative number, then it will move back in time. So this EOMONTH returns a serial number. It will not return you an exact date, like it will not give you the exact date format which you are seeing here, but it will return you a serial number corresponding to the Excel date, and you have to change the format as a date in order to see the last day of the month. So let's go and see our example here. So we have a list of employees, their employee code, the resignation date, and the notice period month. So what we need to do is that we need to return the last working day of each employee. Now what we can do is that basically we can simply add this month on this particular date. But for us, Excel has done all the hard work, and it gives us a function EOMONTH which will do the same for us. So what we can simply do is that we can simply put equal to EOMONTH, and then it will ask us two arguments. The first argument is a start date, so we'll put this cell C6 as our start date, and then we'll put the number of month, and the number of month will be the notice month here. Now if I close this bracket and press enter, you will see that we are getting the exact last date after 3 months. So this employee 1 has given resignation on 2nd month, which is February. After 3 months, it's May. So the last working day should be 31st May 2022. So let's drag this formula. And now you can see that we have all the dates here as a last working date. So this is how basically you can use the EOMONTH function to get the last day of a month based on the number of months that you have given in your argument and the start date.